Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Good morning, of course. What type of account would you like to open?
I'm not sure yet. Could you explain the options?
Certainly. We offer savings accounts and current accounts.
What's the difference between them?
A savings account helps you save money and earn interest. A current account is for everyday transactions.
I see. Which one is better for paying bills and shopping?
That would be a current account.
And which one is better if I want to save money?
Then a savings account is the best choice.
Can I have both accounts?
Yes, many people open both.
That sounds useful. What documents do I need?
You'll need your ID, proof of address, and a recent photo.
I have my passport and a utility bill with me.
Perfect, that will work.
Do I need a minimum deposit?
For a savings account, yes, $100. For a current account, just $50.
That's not too bad. Are there any fees?
Current accounts may have small monthly fees, but savings accounts are usually free.
Okay. How about online banking?
Both accounts come with online and mobile banking.
That's good. I prefer managing money on my phone.
You'll also get a debit card with your current account.
Great. How long does it take to open the account?
If you have all documents, it only takes about 20 minutes.
That's fast. Can I withdraw money right away?
Yes, once the account is active, you can.
And how about depositing money?
You can deposit cash or checks at the counter or ATM.
That's convenient. What about international transfers?
Yes, but there are fees for sending money abroad.
I understand. Can I receive money from overseas too?
Yes, you can receive international transfers without a problem.
Good to know. Does the savings account pay a lot of interest?
The rate is 2% per year.
Not very high, but better than nothing.
Exactly. It's safe and reliable.
Can I open the account in both my name and my wife's name?
Yes, that would be a joint account.
Is the process the same?
Yes, but both of you need to bring your documents.
Understood. Today, I'll just open one in my name.
That's fine. Would you like to start with a current account?
Yes, I think that's best for me right now.
Okay, I'll prepare the form. Please fill in your details here.
All right. Name, address, phone number.
And don't forget your email. It's important for online banking.
Got it. Here you go.
Thank you. Now, please sign here.
Done.
Great. Do you want to deposit money now to activate the account?
Yes, I'll deposit $200.
Perfect. I'll process that for you.
Will I get my debit card today?
No, it will be mailed to your address in about a week.
Okay, that's fine.
In the meantime, you can use online banking.
When will I get the login details?
You'll receive them by text and email in the next 24 hours.
That's quick. Do you want to set up automatic bill payments?
Not yet. I'll do that later. No problem. You can do it anytime online.
Will I get a checkbook too?
Yes, but only if you request one.
I don't think I need it now.
Many people prefer just the debit card.
Yes, I agree. One last question. Is my money safe here?
Absolutely. All accounts are protected by national insurance up to $250,000.
That's reassuring. Do you want me to also open a savings account today?
Not today. I'll start with one account first.
That's fine. You can always add one later.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly. My pleasure. Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's all.
All right. Your account is now active. Welcome to our bank.
Thank you. I feel much better about this now.
We're happy to have you as our customer.
Have a great day.
You too.